In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy candles on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to duplicate a stretch of price action to study it elsewhere on your chart, the bars pattern tool makes it quick and reliable. We'll walk through where to find it and how to use it, so you can copy a sequence of candles with just 2 precise clicks. Start by looking at the left side of your TradingView chart. That vertical panel is your drawing toolbar. The bars pattern tool is tucked inside the 5th icon from the top, which groups several pattern and projection tools together. Hover your mouse over that 5th icon until you see a small caret or arrow, then click the caret to expand the menu. From the list, choose Bars Pattern. When it's active, your cursor is ready to mark the section of candles you want to copy. Now, place your first point. Move your mouse to the exact candle where you want the copied sequence to begin and click. Take a second to align the click carefully. Zooming in can help you land right at the start of the bar you have in mind. After that, move to the final candle you want included, and click again to set the endpoint. As soon as you've selected those 2 points, TradingView automatically copies all of the candle positions in between them. You'll see a duplicate of the selected sequence appear on your chart. It mirrors the shape and relative movement of the original, letting you visually compare past behavior with the area you're analyzing right now. This is great for spotting recurring patterns, measuring proportionate moves, or building quick scenarios without redrawing anything manually. A few tips to keep your workflow smooth. Your selection is tied to the time frame you're viewing, so a 5-minute selection will reflect 5-minute bars, and the same idea applies to hourly or daily charts. Precision matters most at the start and end clicks, because those 2 points define exactly what gets copied in between. If the result looks off, just try the selection again with a bit more care around those anchoring candles. And that's all there is to it. Find the Bars Pattern tool in the 5th icon on the left toolbar, click to set your first point, click again to set your end point, and TradingView takes care of the rest by copying every candle between those 2 points. Practice it once or twice, and it will become second nature.